This is K20 by Sprinter, our first line of advanced skin hydration mixes.
Kylie Jenner just entered a new industry. Not makeup, not skincare, drinks. But this isn't just another celebrity beverage. It's a beauty product disguised as hydration. And if you understand the strategy behind this launch, you'll understand where the future of beauty is going. Welcome to Kardonomics, where we break down the business behind the Kardashian empire. And today, we're diving into Kylie Jenner's latest move, K20 by Sprinter, a product that looks simple on the surface, but is actually one of her smartest expansions yet. Section 1. What is Sprinter? Before we talk about K20, we need to understand Sprinter. Sprinter is Kylie Jenner's beverage brand. It originally launched as a vodka soda line, targeting a young, social, lifestyle-driven audience. But now, Sprinter is evolving from alcohol into wellness. And that transition is very intentional. Section 2. What is K20? K20 is a powdered hydration drink. You mix it with water and drink it daily. But here's the difference. This is not positioned as a sports drink. It's positioned as beauty from within, meaning it's designed to improve your skin while keeping you hydrated. Section 3. Ingredient strategy. Now let's break down what's inside, because this is where the real positioning happens. First, collagen peptides, specifically Verisol. These are associated with improved skin elasticity, smoother skin, reduced appearance of wrinkles. Next, hyaluronic acid, the same ingredient found in high-end skincare, now turned into something you drink. And then, 5 different electrolytes. But unlike traditional sports drinks, this formula uses less sodium, so it hydrates without feeling like a performance product. Section 4. Product details. Let's talk about how it's packaged and sold. K20 comes as a low-calorie drink mix, around 10 calories, 0 sugar, no artificial flavors or colors. And it launches in 3 flavors: watermelon, strawberry, and a fruit blend variation. This makes it light, aesthetic, and daily friendly. Section 5. Why this move is genius. This launch is not random. It's perfectly timed. Right now, one of the fastest growing industries in the world is functional wellness. And inside that, there's a rising category, ingestible beauty. People are no longer satisfied with creams and serums. They want results from inside their bodies. And Kylie is stepping into that space at the right time. Section 6. The real business strategy. Now, let's go deeper. Kylie is not just launching products, she's building an ecosystem. Think about it. Makeup enhances appearance, skincare maintains it, and now K20 supports it from within. Everything connects to one idea: looking better. This increases brand loyalty, cross-selling opportunities, and long-term customer value. Section 7. Recurring revenue. Here's the most important part. This product is consumable. That means customers don't buy it once. They buy it repeatedly, weekly, monthly. This creates something every business wants: recurring revenue. And recurring revenue is what builds real wealth. Section 8. Positioning masterstroke. Let's be clear, this is not competing with sports drinks. It's competing with skincare brands, supplements, beauty routines. Kylie didn't enter a crowded space. She reframed it. She turned hydration into beauty. Section 9. Masterclass. Now, here's what you should take from this. Number 1. Follow macro trends. Kylie didn't invent this category. She entered it early enough to win. Number 2. Build an ecosystem. Don't stop at one product. Create a network of products that reinforce each other. Number 3. Focus on daily use. The best businesses are built on habits. Number 4. Reposition your product. It's not about what it is, it's about how it's perceived. Number 5. Think long-term revenue. One-time sales are good. Recurring customers are better. K20 bySprinter might look like a simple drink, but it's actually a signal that beauty is evolving from what you apply to what you consume. And if this works, Kylie Jenner won't just dominate beauty, she'll dominate wellness. Subscribe to Kardonomics, because the next breakdown, even deeper.